Hello there, and welcome to my multimedia presentation on my Flash artifact. First of all, the purpose of this Flash artifact is to help students to engage with ICT theory for a unit in the Leaving Cert Applied course. First of all, just a background knowledge to the students. This student is specifically aimed at students from a youth reach centre. Now these students generally have poor literacy skills, a reading age of around 10 years old, and they also lack motivational skills as well. Currently there's a problem with the course content for ICT theory as it's purely text based. Obviously students find it difficult to engage with just text based materials. Okay, so I'm just going to demonstrate how the artifact works. So I'm going to reload it first. Okay, right, so students are presented with 4 options here. Each of these are units that they would have to study. For the demonstration, the only section that works is the hardware section. So the students can click on the hardware section, which takes them then to a screen which tells them what hardware is and explains that hardware is broken up into the following 4 sections. Now the only section that's working for this demo is the input devices section. When they put the mouse over the input devices, obviously they get a definition on the bottom of the screen as to what an input device is. They can then click on this, which gives them a list along the bottom here of the input devices they need to be able to understand and have to learn about these. When they mouse over each of these, it gives them a small image of the input device as a bit of a taster, and then they can click on each of these for information on each particular input device. Once the content has been looked at and read and understood, then they can go ahead and take the test with this interactive button over here. Once they click on it, it takes them to this screen here. Okay, so we have an explanation in the top left about how to use this piece of testing software. And as you can see, the student just needs to drag and drop the particular piece of hardware onto these squares